Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2018 Skoda Octavia. Now of course, walking around the car you'll notice you get your LED daytime running lights. You then also, coming around to the side, you get these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do actually get. Then coming out and around again to the rear, you got your rear parking sensors. You then come into the tailgate, you've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. I'll just stand myself corrected. These are a 16-inch alloy wheel as well. You've got full cloth black interior with ISOFIX mounting point to the bottom. Full electric windows all round, all of which are automatic. Then coming inside the front of the car, we've got your 6-speed manual gearbox, dual climate control in the front, and then we've also got your touchscreen display. As you can see on here, we've got your various radio sources there. We've then got your various media sources. We've got Bluetooth hands-free. We've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Then of course we've got your drive select as well. Then coming back over to the steering wheel, we've got your volume, voice assistant, track select. We've got your assist systems, Bluetooth hands-free, and then we've also got your onboard computer controls. Your cruise control is on the indicator stalk, and as you can see, this car has done 35,700 miles. Jumping back outside now and showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Skoda Octavia, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.